Okay, guys, we're going to join the class for basketball. I want you to watch really carefully how this is done. Ready? This could be tricky since their guys are pretty good at this game. Just pass the ball to me. Got it? Remember, I was the captain of the basketball team at university.
Oh, yeah.
What should you do? Pass the ball to you, Mr. Stanhope. You got it.
Warmen, weighing! Warmen, weighing!
Here they come.
They look pretty good, huh?
Here we go. Don't get nervous. Ready? Right, left, down, up. Team huddle. Team stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm a little team. Where are we going, Mrs. Jordan?
We have a rather difficult activity, but don't worry. I was the champion at my university. Just follow me and everything I do. You'll be okay. There's no need to worry. Almost ready. Bit of jogging on the spot. That's enough of that. We don't want to do too much. Team huddle.
All for one and one for all. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna hold? Who's gonna win? We are!
Left hand up. Right hand up. Both hands up. Down the body. Left nails. Right nails. Mrs. Gidwani.
Mrs. Gidwani?
Mrs. Gidwani.
What is our activity?
I'm just going to go and sit on this bench and have a little snooze while you go off and play.
What are we doing, Shannon?
We are going to be doing a very famous Chinese activity. What's that, Shellasha? This activity is very old and Chinese people have been doing it for many years.
Is it really hard, Shallasha?
When I was in university, I played a famous piano duet.
Are we going to play the piano, Shallasha?
No, I just thought I would tell you this. We'll ask a question in the quiz tomorrow evening. So, what is it family are activity teachers. Just follow me and do what I do. I was the champion of this activity in my university. Let's scooter. Mrs. Gidwani. Mrs. Gidwani.
Mrs. Giwani? Oh, it's no use. We'll just have to take her. Again.